The best sales funnels are designed to maximize conversions at each stage, resulting in more successful transactions. Samcart is a comprehensive sales funnel and marketing tool designed to optimize your online sales process by allowing you to create customized, high-converting checkout pages to streamline your sales pipeline. With Samcart, you can easily create high-converting checkout pages, product pages for your physical or digital products, or by using its affiliate center, you can design an amazing affiliate program that sells your products for you. It supports several payment integrations, offers A/B testing, and provides in-depth analytics. With its user-friendly interface, customizable checkout pages, and robust order management tools, Samcart puts a large focus on putting products and checkouts all on a single page to streamline the conversion process. It is designed to be a quick and easy way to build a checkout page for online sellers with one main product. Samcart allows you to create coupons, offer discounts, and collect payments from customers on a unified interface. Marketing teams can also integrate the system with several third-party applications including Shopify, Magento, and BigCommerce. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a larger enterprise, Samcart offers flexible pricing plans to suit your needs. It's an all-in-one solution for optimizing online sales and improving the customer buying experience. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Samcart review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Samcart. What does Samcart really do? Samcart is an e-commerce shopping cart and checkout software designed to optimize the sales process and maximize conversions and revenue for digital marketers and online business owners by providing powerful tools to create high-converting checkout pages, upsells, order bumps, subscriptions, and more. The software is aimed at small to medium-sized businesses, marketers, and entrepreneurs who want to sell products or services online. With Samcart, users can quickly set up customized checkout pages and flows to match their business needs. Samcart streamlines the process of designing and managing checkout pages with features such as payment plan alternatives, cart abandonment tools, and extensive integrations to help you improve your e-commerce strategy. Aside from this, Samcart's Scale Plan has built-in dunning, which is ideal for retaining consumers for subscription-based products. In addition to tools like automated email reminders to consumers whose credit cards are due to expire, Samcart has a dedicated support team to help you get the most value out of your subscriptions. You can easily set up affiliate commissions as well as affiliate signups, payout periods, cookie expiration, and affiliate approvals using a straightforward affiliate management interface. You can also establish affiliate links to your preferred pages to boost traffic and credit the affiliate if a consumer makes a sale. Benefits and key features of Samcart. Some of the benefits and unique features of Samcart includes 1. Landing Page Builder. Samcart offers landing page capabilities focused on the checkout experience with features like one-click upsells and order bumps to increase the value of each sale. 2. Email marketing software. Samcart allows you to connect your checkout system easily with your email campaigns, enabling automated follow-ups, segmentation, and targeted marketing campaigns to boost conversion rates. 3. Checkout pages and cross-selling bumps. Samcart's checkout pages enable businesses to create highly converting pages for a seamless buying experience. The cross-selling bumps enhance the sales process by offering additional products or services to customers during checkout. 4. Samcart One-Click Upsells enables businesses to offer additional products to customers immediately after they make a purchase with just one click. This eliminates the need for customers to re-enter payment details and significantly boosts revenue potential. 5. Seamless integration capabilities. Samcart integration with various shopping cart platforms simplifies the buying process for customers. It also offers features like automatic cancellation of subscriptions, ensuring hassle-free management. 6. Samcart Course Builder. Samcart Courses has an easy-to-use course builder for structuring your course content into sections and lessons. While you add the actual content and lessons, sections are for grouping different lessons for organizational purposes. 7. Simplified subscription management. Samcart allows businesses to handle subscriptions, including automatic cancellation when necessary. This eliminates the need for manual intervention in managing subscription cancellations, saving businesses time and effort. 8. Analytics and reporting. Samcart provides insights into various metrics such as sales performance, customer behavior, conversion rates, and much more. This enables businesses to evaluate the effectiveness of their strategies and make informed decisions to drive more sales. Samcart's pricing and plans. Samcart offers a pricing model based on monthly and annual contracts. The paid plans include the launch, growth, and scale plans. If you pay annually and sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and 100% money-back guarantee on all plans. How does Samcart work? Samcart works around the concept of checkout pages, which are crucial components of the purchasing journey. Once customers add products or services to their shopping cart, they are redirected to the page for checkout, where they enter their payment and shipping information. After the purchase is completed, Samcart then helps you track orders, manage customer information, process refunds or cancellations, and maintain clear communication throughout the customer lifecycle. Pros: user-friendly interface for easy product setup with just a few clicks. Advanced customization options for landing pages. Built-in upsell, order bumps, and cross-sell features. Comprehensive analytics and reporting tools. Integration with payment gateways and email marketing services. Easily sell, ship, and fulfill physical and digital product orders. Excellent customer support and light chat from real humans. 100% money-back guarantee on all plans when you sign up with the link in the description below. Cons: the 7-day free trial option comes with limited features. If you pay annually and sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and 100% money-back guarantee on all plans. Conclusion: Samcart is an all-in-one business platform designed to help organizations build websites and landing pages with high-converting checkout features, streamlined payments and marketing automation, and more. Over 23,000 creators use Samcart to sell over $2 billion of their own products, goods, and services. Samcart's robust suite of advanced selling tools is designed to boost conversions and average order value alongside world-class customer support. Whether businesses offer recurring billing for online courses, digital products, or membership services, Samcart provides a seamless and intuitive platform for managing subscriptions. Samcart provides a user-friendly checkout experience that can significantly reduce cart abandonment. This smooth process ensures that your customers have a hassle-free time completing their purchases, potentially boosting your sales conversions. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Samcart. If you enjoyed this Samcart review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.